Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Paddington's Pantry, where my puppy Paddington and I make some dog-friendly treats. So if you've been watching the other videos this week, then you know that this week is Paddington's birthday week, so we're doing a full week of Paddington's Pantry episodes. Paddington is very, very excited, aren't you? And tomorrow is actually going to be footage of his birthday party with a lot of the puppies, so you need to stay tuned. But either way, today we are making puppy donuts. You haven't had donuts before, have you? So these are beef banana donuts, and I've actually used this dough in another recipe, which I'll have linked here. It's the first video that Paddington was actually in, if you want to see him as a puppy. But we're going to shape them into donuts today. Are you ready for some donuts? Are you ready? Yes. Okay, so first things first, we have 3 cups of Rice Krispies. We're going to pour that into a bowl. Ooh. That's nice. Is it delicious? Is it delicious? And we have 1 1/4 cups of dog-friendly beef broth or chicken broth. I'm going to pour that on top. And we're going to let it soak for a little bit. Alright, so we're just going to mix that together. Doing this left-handed, which isn't very hard, but it's more important to be holding my dog right now. So. Oh, shoot. Okay. You going to help clean up? Good boy. Okay, so we're going to set that aside, and then we're going to grab a larger bowl that's conveniently placed behind me. Okay, so we have 1 large egg. He's like right in the bowl. We're going to crack into the bowl. Oh, what was that? And then we have 1 banana that we have thinly sliced. Paddington, what are you eating? We have 1 1/4 cups of whole wheat flour. This is all-purpose flour. And we have 8 ounces of ground beef, which he is very excited about. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm gonna add that to the bowl. Treacle has FOMO and she was like sitting outside the door, so upset. And now we're going to add the Rice Krispie mixture. Little opportunist is licking it as I spoon it in. This is the most awkward position to be pouring stuff in, but we're trying. And then we're gonna mix everything together. So I'm gonna use an electric mixer just because it's a lot easier, but again, you can use a spoon if you like. There we go, what a big boy. Just don't stick your tongue in it. No. Nope. Alright, and there we go. There is our mixture that Paddington keeps trying to get a little taste of. Sorry, I got the hiccup. And now we are ready to put them into our little donut mold. Okay, so now we have 2 little mini donut pans that I've greased. Sorry, notification. And with cooking spray. And I placed the donut batter into a piping bag when I just like sliced off the end, so there's no piping tip in it, it's just like open. And let's not lick the oil, of course he's going to. And we are going to, hope that Paddington can balance on my lap, and pipe the donut mixture into the donut pan. So putting the mixture into a piping bag makes it so much easier because it'll just pipe nice and cleanly into the pan, and it's so much easier than like spooning it in. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that as he decides to eat the uncooked donut. You just undid my work. You just undid my work, little man. So we're gonna start from the farthest away point and pipe our donuts. He's like so upset now. And also, the reason why I'm sitting down and acting like super awkward is because we used to film in my like actual kitchen, but I want to keep things consistent, and there's studio lighting in here, so that's why we film in here now. But he's too small to be at the surface of this counter on the chair, so he has to be like sitting on my lap for him to actually be visible. So that's why that's happening. It's so awkward for me to cook sitting down, but we're trying. later today is actually part 1 of his birthday party. He's having 2 different parties today. One is just gonna be the donuts, and then the next one is going to be the like full party with loop eggs and his birthday cake and little Pop-Tarts that we made as well. So everything's gonna be used for his actual birthday, which I'm so excited about. But his little Pomeranian friends are in town, Mugs and Skittles. So cute. And so we wanted to do a little party with them. So I think they're going to go into like this little puppy ball pit and play in there today with the little donuts. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. So definitely look forward to that tomorrow because I'm gonna combine both days in one video. But excuse me, we have to bake them. These are for you and your little puppy friends. You have friends. You have more friends than Mommy does. Okay, enough. Okay, so now they're gonna go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for, I think, 15 minutes. Off the top of my head, I don't remember, but it will be on the screen here. And I'll see you guys when they are done and cool. Paddington's like, so excited. Mommy, I need some more. You can have them when they're done. Okay, so the donuts are out of the oven, and how cute do they look? Oh my god. And that's pretty cool. Hacking away in the back. She's okay, don't worry. And so now we have some cream cheese that I've microwaved. You want to cover with plastic wrap when you're microwaving it because it could splatter. But microwaving it just makes it much softer, and that is what we're going to use, poor treacle, for our glaze for the donuts, and then for the sprinkles I have a really, really fun trick that I think is going to be really cute. So, it's hot. The container is hot. So what we're going to do, it's super easy. We're just going to dunk each little donut into the cream cheese and then pull it up, and there we go. Then we're going to pop it back onto our little wire wrap. I'm going to put it further away because Paddington's going to want to get it. And we're just going to continue with the rest of the donuts. Okay, so now what we're going to do is make the sprinkles for the donuts, which I think is like the cutest thing ever. We are going to get a little carrot. It doesn't obviously have to be mini, but just one carrot. And we have a cheese grater, and we're going to grate the carrot onto the donuts to create little like sprinkles. Treacle disagrees. And it's a very healthy, sugar-free, except for natural sugars, I guess, in the carrots, way of creating sprinkles on your puppy's donuts. Alright, and there we go. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked this recipe. Stay tuned tomorrow because you will see Paddington, Treacle, and a bunch of other dogs enjoying these treats, which I think is like the perfect way to end this week. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you get notified when tomorrow's video goes live. Alright, because you don't want to miss it. Excuse me, these are for your friends. These are for your friends. These are to serve at the party. You can't have them. Face is like, Mommy, give them all to me. But anyways, yeah, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow for the party. Yay! Did you know that so many people are going to watch your birthday party? So many people are going to watch your party.